Wakobecha, you are welcome. Dear Yabe Oboyin, what is happening over there? Mikpire, I want to fetch wood. Megwanoriemu, I want to eat. Womawenya, go away. Onanaidie, what is this? Keve Ujojana, give me the hand fan. Oweresuwe, I'm feeling sleepy. Owenwewewe, I'm hungry. IG Ukoko Urhobo Facebook group, join us. IG Ukoko Urhobo Instagram, follow us. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, it is free of it. I remain your humble presenter, Ogenenyerewo Ekurume. Urhobo is worth learning. Urhobo feyo no ochoyo wa wado Urhobo eje.